That's exactly what Abdeslam Wadou was saying to our First Lady of Sports, Cynthia Carroll, during the interview. I want to score early, and then AmaZulu got to come and chase the game, and then I'll bang some more in. And that's exactly what they've got. They've got the early goal, 14 minutes. And yeah, it hasn't been one-sided, because AmaZulu have had chances, but their chances are from the transition. Appolis. Keegan Allen for company, and Jobber goes on the overlap. Ken for company as well. Toba, Ken. Appolis. Oh, Appolis gets past Liam Byrne. He pull the trigger, he does! Beautifully done! Lovely football. The once win Appolis. Pirates double their scoreline in first half stoppage time. Are they unstoppable today? It's a beautiful goal from Appolis.
There might have been a bit of support from the inside of the attack guys, but that creation of space was almost done single-handedly by Appolis in the way that he opened up the defender. Obviously, we're picking up now, right now. You think that once Appolis picks it up and he peels a little to the right, there'll be a defender immediately, but look at the space. He prepares the ball, there's still nobody close enough. There's 5 of them. That's the problem when you have that many that doesn't quite understand their responsibility in such situations.